Beware, beware, the Bermuda washing machine, a place where socks enter but never return. Beware the Bermuda washing machine, where pockets are checked but still your washing is played with tiny white pieces of tissue. Beware the Bermuda washing machine, where perfectly fitted dresses are reduced to fit only Barbie dolls. Beware the Bermuda washing machine, where a quick wash lasts 1,000 years. Beware the Bermuda washing machine, where your local purgatory laundrette is just another game of Russian roulette as you approach your Bermuda washing machine.